Hey everybody, Kenny Klaus here. Hey, we have been blessed for the last 20 plus years to serve all of your real estate needs, helping you buy and sell real estate. We're excited to announce another addition to the experience that we want to deliver, and it's a partnership with HUD Home Services. HUD Home Services is a licensed contractor. They can pretty much do everything from painting to flooring, remodeling, cabinets, electrical, painting, you name it. And if not, they have a resource to help with that. So want to make sure that you're aware of, and they're local. They're right here out in the East Valley. So HUD Home Services, the great news is they just got an app too. So if you're Google or Apple, you can go to your app store and just type in HUD Home Services. Cool thing about it is you can take a picture of what's broken, upload it, goes right to them. They can get estimates, and then the really cool thing, and something for us is working with so many homeowners over the years, is when you replace a water heater or you have some roof work done or whatever it is, when you painted the house, all of that will then be in your app with the receipt and when you did it and online for you to access. So it's really trying to make home ownership even a little bit easier by all the maintenance and repairs that goes into owning a home and having all that information in one place. So we're excited for the opportunity to introduce that to you. Again, HUD Home Services, and always thank you so much for being your trusted real estate advisor.